Today we are getting on with Marina into the touristy stuff. Marina and I are going to join two different tours and I'm ready for this beautiful tour. Usually I always do my own tours. Yeah, maybe also because I haven't traveled for like 3 years. I got my ticket too. Check-in was pretty quick. I booked everything online and I already paid in advance. But you can also do deposit and pay the rest when you arrive. Okay, so first stop of the tour is this Chinese influenced, Indian influenced Buddha temple. So the tour guide explained us that there are different types of Buddha statues, and if you observe them very carefully, this is how you can differentiate which one is influenced by Chinese Buddhism and which one is influenced by the Indian Buddhism. So apparently for the Chinese Buddhism, if you see a different variation of the Buddha statue, it means that it comes from the Chinese Buddhism version. And if you see only one and similar, always the same Buddha statue, then it then means that it's from the Indian Buddhism influence. It's pretty interesting because from the Chinese version, even the monks are wearing different clothing. So if they are fully clothed, it means that they are following the Chinese version of the Buddhism. And if they have only one shoulder covered, it means then that they are following the Indian version of Buddhism. This means we need to take shoes. The architecture is beautiful, it's very colorful, and I also stumbled upon some monks getting ready for lunch. So there were sounds of the gongs were ringing, and I was just amazed by the architecture. I think like it looked so beautiful. I wish I could have been able to spend a little longer. Sadly, our tour for the Buddha temple is only for 20 minutes. I would definitely recommend just stay a little bit longer if you can, because it's absolutely gorgeous. Very interesting to see how both versions of Buddhism are basically living into one area and coexisting together. It's so pretty and nice. So far, I am enjoying what I'm seeing. So they're using the coconut, dried coconut, to fuel and set up the fire. Something that I didn't know.
21, 22. You see the yellow one is jackfruit. The jackfruit, yeah. And the white one is dragon. Yeah. So I suggest you to eat the dragon fruit first, and go for the sour.
What is this?
It's like with chili.
Oh no,
And white
like
chili.
chili.
Tea. meaning and also white meaning as well. You can put your fingers in here to get honey. Yeah, you see the honey, right? Yeah.
Yeah, got honey.
Share with. Oh.
Quite low, but then
It is really low. I was like, wait, yeah, it's super nice.
it's like a big.
Peekaboo! Oh, yo.
I think he said it's the same brewery. Yeah, probably. I'm sure it's all like being bought by Heineken anyway or something. You always want to try the local. Yeah, I like the local beer. Absolutely. Yeah, that's what I said too. Did you guys get out last night? Yeah, went to this.
But there's a bit of a taste when you drink the sugar against the back.
I like it.
I was just like, oh my god. We just stumbled upon it when we were walking.
And you also have the balloons, so like the fun balloons.
It's time
This
to
is
go.
the French way.
This is the French way.
Get in there.
Now it's time to take a ride on the bicycle. We have about 40 minutes now of free time, and they recommended us that if we wanted to scatter around the island, they have a bunch of bikes, as you can see right here, accessible for us.
I would like to show you how to use the coconut. The green one that when we drink, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we dry it. We use that one for fuel, like I showed you when the first time we use for fuel. And the one for drinking is different from the one here, because the one for drinking is small, but this water is very sweet. We like that one. But this one, we use it for making something. But anyway, we have to use old coconut fruit. We don't use the young one. The young one also for drinking as well. So this one is the old one. So the first step, we have to take out the husk. We have a potted one right here. Yeah. Usually this husk we can use to make, that doormat over there.
Oh.
Or we can use it to make fertilizer also. People from Japan also want to buy this one. After taking out the husk, the shell outside, this one we use it for fuel. This one is the best fuel one. It makes a very strong heat as well. My hometown, before 1990, we didn't have electricity. And we use this one to iron our clothes. We have a very special tool so we can iron our clothes. Now we're going to break it because we want to get the flag inside. It's very, very valuable because we can make some things such as like cooking oil, the oil for hair, the oil for skin. Here we have a special one to break it. So with the water from the old one, usually we don't drink. You see right here. Locally we have this one. To make the coconut flax powder. From this one, we can cook it to make cooking oil. We can use it to make food or something. But right here, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate. The first flavor is coconut milk. Second one is caramel.
Oh, it smells like coconut oil. Yes. I guess we're gonna be making coconut candy, and seeing the process is so interesting.
So,
Ooh, that one has just been made. It's still slightly warm and gooey. This one is mixed with caramel, so let's have a try. It's very soft. It feels like a soft a hot caramel. I feel like when it's fresh and warm, it tastes even better than if it was hardened. It was the perfect temperature to actually try it out.
this one only coconut. This one, mango.
Have you guys tried the...
Oh, I tried that.
You tried?
Did you try it?
No.
Actually, no, it's a bit more like sake. That's a
Sake?
Good way, maybe like
Really?
That's quite strong, some of it, isn't it? Yeah. That's a good way of.
Sake, okay. Since it's quite warm, I'm about to get a coconut drink. It's quite refreshing. Really good.
Are you eating a paper round of it?
I am enjoying the paper around.
Mine's not like dissolving in my mouth.
Am I supposed to eat it?
I don't think so.
Oopsie!
I took a bite out of it first. I swallowed one, and then the second one.
I think you're right. I'm
The
not
second
supposed
one
to eat it. Still tasty even with or without the paper. It is quite busy, and I guess this is the right place here to buy whatever souvenirs or fake stuff. They have dry fruits, they have tea, they have coffee obviously. It's also very easy to get lost. This is like so busy here. I think I feel like I'm getting lost because I cannot remember where I started from. I think I started from there. It's been quite of a long day and I had so much fun today. Marina is gonna finish her tour very soon, so I think I'm just gonna walk out a little bit, see if I can find something to eat. Tonight is the fireworks for the celebration of Independence Day. I'm looking forward to see the fireworks as well and see what it's gonna be like. I've always loved fireworks. It's interesting to see that the Family Mart here is a lot closer to the one in Japan because they've got cup noodles, they've got things for their house, but they also got things for cooking such as spices, sauces, even condiment that make it easier for you if you're looking for something the last minute like a pasta sauce or something like this. I took this and the onigiri, some drinks. Walked a little bit away from Christie's homes and we get to see it right now. It's not the entire thing, but it's still good and I'm still glad that we have not fully missed it.